One thing I promise you I'll never do on this channel is sell you a product research tool. And there's a few reasons to this. The first is almost all product research tools are just way too overrated. And I'm not hating on the people that actually promote them. But if those same people were not getting a nice commission from those product research tools, I'm 100% sure they would never start promoting them. So I just really feel like they're extremely overrated. And the second reason why I'll never sell you a product research tool is because almost all product research tools, they show the same products that almost everyone has access to. Like literally almost every dropshipper, they see the same exact products in those product research tools like PP ads, like AliShark, almost all of those product research tools. Everyone has the same access to them. So it's like you're not really getting any competitive edge over your competition. So it literally gives you zero advantage over the competition. In fact, it even actually ruins your chances of beating your competition because you're literally selling the same thing as everyone else. And the last reason why I don't like product research tools is that you don't really need those tools. And people, they convince you that they need those tools, but you don't need them, bro. Like people were able to find winning products back in the day without using any of the product research tools. Like, do you think PP ads existed back in the day and now it's like all of a sudden everyone is making money because they're using PP ads or like using AliShark or using Ecom Hunt and all those things? And again, like I'm not hating on them. Like I'm not hating on the product research tools or the people that promote them, but I just want to let you know, like you don't need them. Especially if you're just starting out, you're going to be convinced that you have to pay for something that's going to give you a competitive edge when literally every single person is paying for the same thing. So it gives you zero competitive edge. And I know you're like, who the heck is this guy talking crap about product research tools? I've got like a few wins under my belt. Like I've generated 6 figures with this one store that I've had since 2020. And I know like it's not really a huge amount. I've done this while studying biomedical at like a really good university here in Canada. Obviously, this is not like something huge. But like knowing I didn't have a lot of time because I was studying the whole time. So I didn't have a lot of time to run the stores. I was still able to actually do pretty decent margins with the store. And the crazy thing is that this store that I've had the success with, I did not really find this product using any of the product research tools. I found it using actually free methods, to be honest. And what's funny is that now anytime I actually don't use the same methods that I've used to get success with the store and I use a product research tool, I almost always like end up with failure with the store because it's like my foundation is wrong. My foundation is just based on whatever the research tool is telling me. And usually it's not telling you how to sell it. It's not telling you who to sell it for. It's not telling you why you should be selling this to the people that you're selling it to. Again, it gives you no competitive edge. And that's why almost like every single person they're not getting success with Shopify dropshipping. And they claim that it's dead because of it, because they're using the same things, bro. The same things that everyone else is using. And I notice when I actually do have the foundation right and I use the free method that I'm going to show you in this video, it almost always ends up a success. Like even if it's not like a huge success, it almost always ends up success. And again, like I don't want people to start thinking like I'm hating on this product research tools and hating on the people that use them, but you don't need them. And if you use them, you're not a dum-dum, bro. Like you're not a dum-dum. You can use them and it's fine. I don't mind. But in this video, I'll show you some of the methods that I use, and here's one of them. So the first one is instead of looking for winning products, you need to start looking for winning markets. And by winning market, I mean like who is your target customer? Is it like the 30-year-old woman who's spiritual and she still didn't find the love of her life? Is it the guy who's trying to get a basketball scholarship? Is it the girl who's extremely passionate about her horses? Or is it even the makeup artist who is just starting to like start her makeup business? So by winning market, essentially it means like who's your target customer? And this is basically the 4 winning markets, which is basically health, love, wealth, and happiness. And almost all of them, they do end up in those winning markets. It's just that the winning markets is the first thing that you should be starting with, which is the first 4: health, wealth, love, and happiness. But then you should start finding a specific target customer, which is like the 4 examples that I just said. And you could see by defining your winning customer or your winning market, you're able to sell a bunch more things and not just one product that you found from a product research tool. So for example, the guy who's trying to get a basketball scholarship, you can sell him courses that help you land like 3-point shotters every single time. Or you can sell him basketball gear that's gonna basically prevent his injuries so he can always perform 10x his skills on the field. Or if it's the spiritual woman who still did not find love in her life, you can sell her like a necklace that basically has like a spiritual energy that helps her attract her love. Or you can even sell her courses that basically teaches her how to manifest her love life. So basically I'm saying when you define your target customer and you make a store specifically for that target customer, you're not just limited to one product. You're actually limited to more things instead of just one product. So for example, with the store that I have right now, I'm able to sell a product, basically a course, for $97 where I'm taking home almost like 90% profit margin, as opposed to like selling a product from AliExpress where I'm just left with like $10 profit margin. Like this gives me a huge advantage over the competitors because I can pay for ads. I can pay for acquiring more customers at even a higher cost because I'm basically able to afford it. And the only reason I'm still able to do that is because I defined my target customer as opposed to basically finding a winning product and then just selling that product blindly. So like this is the beauty idea of it. And it's like, this is extremely important with especially like ads getting more and more expensive every single year. And I know you're probably wondering like, how do you do this thing? And basically, as I said before, it's like you start with a winning market. So you find one of the 4 winning markets, which is basically health, wealth, love, and happiness. So it's like you could say it's like what fits under love. And I already just gave you an example. So it's like the spiritual woman who is trying to attract her love life and she still didn't find it. So you can sell her things about like a necklace or like a course that basically helps her attract her target customer. Or in terms of health, for example, you can sell like a girl who's trying to squat. You can sell her like equipment that can help her squat better to like increase booty gains or something. I don't know. So this is the first method. Again, to recap, is to find a winning market and then defining a specific customer in that winning market and then going on Amazon, going on AliExpress, going on Alibaba, and then finding what products that those people actually want. But before you do that, you actually have to see what products that they want by going on Reddit, going on customer reviews, going on like groups on Facebook, and just seeing what they already buy. And most of the time you'll find that they're not buying things that are like extremely quirky. Like most of the time they're buying things that actually help them in their life, something that they're super passionate about, or something that is basically helping them solve a problem. And then once you find out what they want, for example, if it's a course, then you can make them a course and like create a course where you actually start selling it to them. And you can even use Shopify for that too, by the way. Like you don't need to like use ClickFunnels or like some other thing. You can use Shopify, and that's what I do too. If you found out what they want, like for example, the basketball guy who's trying to get a scholarship, if he wants his gear, then you can go on AliExpress and find some gear for him that he can wear to like do whatever he wants to do, like prevent injuries, shoot better shots, something like that. So that's the first method. Now let's say you're extremely stubborn and you're like, no, I don't want this first method. I want another method. I'll show you another method that's extremely free, and like literally no one's talking about any of these, bro. Like this is actually important stuff here. So this second product research method is basically, you basically find an already winning product. For example, if you go on TikTok and you type in TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds or any of those things, you're gonna find that there is basically products that are always showing. And one of those products is basically this thing. So this is the mini table vacuum. And so I searched it up on Google. So basically follow every single step here. Seriously, like this is important. So this is the mini table vacuum. So I searched it up on Google. So if I actually, and by the way, I live in Canada, so I don't have like the US Google. So I had to go on a website that puts you in a US Google. I found this store that's selling it for $15 basically, and it's called Until Gone. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on the store, and this is basically what their store looks like. Now I know Google a lot because I've used Google myself with ads, and I've generated good results with it. So the thing with Google is that sometimes people, they make a general store and they put all the winning products onto Google, and they see basically which one is getting more purchases in their Google ads. So there's a bunch of general stores, like not specific stores, general stores where they have a bunch of winning products. So if you find stores like these on Google and then you know that they're making money, you can basically like, you're left with a bunch of winning products that someone else found and someone else is making money with. So if I use similar web here and I see that the results, you can see that this store is like literally making at least $1 million a month because they're getting 1 million visitors. So that's freaking crazy. And then if you keep searching like on their store, you're gonna see a bunch of winning products. So for example, like I found this electric heated vest that's very popular in every single product research tool. And for example, here I found this neck massager that's also popular on TikTok, and I've seen it on product research tools too. So you see like this is a free method. And I found this other store that basically has almost 27,000 products. Like this is a never ending list of products. And you can literally go and scroll through every single product and you'll find, and I found too, a bunch of products that are popular on TikTok. So you can take them and you can start selling them on TikTok organic, which is basically what I show you on this channel. And so for example, here I found the liquid fart spray that you can take and sell on TikTok, and I've seen it on TikTok. Or you can have this sphere silicone mold tray, which is, I saw it on TikTok too, but I don't know how to actually sell this, so you can test it yourself. And I found this Game Boy case, which I found a bunch of ads for it on TikTok, and you can also sell this. And I found all of these without using a product research tool. And I'll show you more examples here. For example, there's this nuclear explosion lamp that I'm sure is going to do good on TikTok. I found this dog bowl chew toy that you can sell on TikTok if you have like a dog and you can make videos with him or her. I found this LED selfie ring light that I know does well on TikTok. And I found this mosquito killer LED lamp that if you can take on TikTok during summer and you have like mosquitoes around your house and you can show the demonstration of this product, it can do good on TikTok. And there's also this power bank, portable power bank that looks like a Game Boy console. It's handheld or something, and you can probably sell this on TikTok organic as well. And I'm not gonna stop. There's more products. And so this product right here, you can see there's like a magnetic levitating shoe stand, which I'm 100% sure is gonna do good on TikTok. There's this USB neck fan that if you can sell it during the summer and you can show a nice demonstration of it, it's gonna do good on TikTok. And then there's this also a mobile chest mount that you have like you can put a phone on your chest, and if you know how to sell this properly, it's gonna do good on TikTok. And also you can see past winners that the store has. For example, the projector Bluetooth speaker, the Galaxy lamp, which I'm sure you know that have done amazing on TikTok, and this sunset lamp that is basically killing it on TikTok, and this like tablet holder, like a tablet holder pad, you can take this and it's gonna do good on TikTok too. So you can see, bro, I found all these products without using any product research tool. The way I did it was basically I found an already winning product on TikTok, and then I took that product and I searched it on Google, and then I went on Google and I found a general store that basically has a bunch of products. I validated that this store, the general store on Google, is doing good, first of all, because if it's not doing good, then why else like would you waste time looking for their products? And if it's doing good, you're going to see that it basically has all the winning products that you can find on the product research tools on their store already. Like they've done all the hard work for you. They've paid for the product research tools and they put all the products on their store. And what's funny is that these people are so good at finding products that there's thousands of products on their store, and sometimes they don't even use a product research tool, and sometimes they take a product that's basically untapped, that is not basically saturated on TikTok or Facebook or anywhere else, and you can take that and you can be the first one to market it. So like this is freaking crazy. Like I don't know why people don't talk about this, but I'm here to show you like basically everything behind the scenes. And if you're wondering how I find my winning products that I share with you on this channel, this is exactly how I do it. But the only difference is that I actually do more research on the customer that's buying this product. I go on Amazon reviews and read the reviews, and so I see exactly why the people are buying this product, and I know how to sell it to them. And so this is the thing, when you find these products on any of these stores, and it's not just one store though, like I'm not going to show you this, I'm not going to put the store links in the description, I'm not going to do it, because you can go on Google yourself and you'll find a bunch of stores. Like I found 5, and I basically have them on my bookmark. So anytime I'm basically trying to find the winning product for whatever thing I'm doing, I go on these stores and I just basically browse and browse and browse. So I have an Excel that I'm not going to share it with you too, because it's just for me, that basically has all the products that I found that are winning. And so like it just basically ensures that I'll never go broke with dropshipping, bro, because there's so many more products that you can test. There's so many opportunities, so many untapped products that there are, that it's like you're just limiting yourself if you're using a product research tool. But if you do this method, the first method and the second method, it's freaking crazy. Like how can you ever go broke with this? And what I recommend, if you're going to take the second method route, what I recommend is making a one product store for a product that's doing really good. So it's not like you'd make a general store, because I told some other guy, I'm like I showed them the store because I was trying to help him, and this guy was like, okay, I'll make a similar store as these people. But then I'm like, hold on a minute, these people have 27,000 products on their store. Are you telling me you're going to spend like however many hours just adding all these products instead of like paying for ads, doing TikTok organic, and then start getting the sales immediately, as opposed to just wasting a lot of time like doing all the product listing? Why not just basically take one of those winning products, add it to your store, or not even add it to your store, just make a whole store around it, like a one product store, and make it like branded towards that one product, and then go on TikTok and go on Facebook, go on Google, and basically market the hell out of it. So you'd have like a big idea that's basically supporting the product. You know that the problem you're fixing, you know what promise you're going to promise to the customers, and with that you're able to sell a lot more. And that's how the sunset lamp too, like that's how they've actually done millions and millions in revenue. Like because they were the first ones to market it, they knew that this product was a winner, but they didn't find it using product research tools. Like I highly freaking doubt that. And they might have actually just used AliExpress or Alibaba, which is another method that you can do, but this one's a lot easier. Like they've done all the work for you and it's free, and like what the heck, bro, just freaking do it. It's so easy. So yeah, this is today's video for you. I hope it's extremely valuable, because I know this was valuable for me, and like I know no one freaking talks about this on YouTube, and I hope I'm the first one, and you better subscribe because of that. Take care.